Nestled in the breathtaking hills of Campos do Jordao, the mineir.INN is your perfect getaway, blending luxury and comfort with the natural beauty of the Serra. If you're looking for a cozy retreat with modern amenities and warm hospitality, this is the place for you. Don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen or check the video description for more details and booking information. Imagine stepping into a stylish, recently renovated apartment where every detail is designed for relaxation. The mineir.INN features a stunning indoor heated pool, inviting you to unwind no matter the season. After a refreshing swim, treat yourself to a session in the sauna or hot tub, or indulge in the soothing warmth of the hammam. On cooler evenings, gather around the crackling fireplace, creating memories in an atmosphere of pure comfort. The apartment itself is thoughtfully equipped with 2 cozy bedrooms, a fully functional kitchen, a sleek flat-screen TV, and a spacious seating area perfect for quality time with loved ones. Step outside to your private outdoor dining space and soak in the serene surroundings while enjoying a meal under the open sky. For those who love to stay active, the on-site gym ensures your fitness routine never skips a beat. Meanwhile, little ones can play freely in the children's playground. Need a bite to eat or a refreshing drink? The hotel's restaurant and bar offer delicious options just steps away. And with a 24-hour front desk, assistance is always available whenever you need it. Located just a short drive from Emilio Ribas train station and surrounded by natural wonders like Jordao Florestal Park, the mineir.INN is the ideal base for exploring the charms of Campos do Jordao. Ready to experience this slice of paradise for yourself? Remember, you can find more information and book your stay by scanning the QR code on your screen or checking the link in the video description below. Your dream escape in the Serra awaits.